Hey, we're just giving a little demo of the Stream Deck and having it programmed, custom designed as a switcher console for the TVS ATEM. So show us, Jordan, how it works.
All right, not even a half hour ago, I set up all of these buttons in the front end program on here. Everything's customizable from the text to the functions. A very simple switch. I've got two robos coming in, so I throw my robo onto preview. I have a fade cut. That could also be an auto take. I can control how long the cut takes. And easy peasy, send it to preview, take. Send it to preview, take. Send it to preview, take. And this is just scratching the surface.
So let's see how this works. Go to logo, please.
Going to logo.
And ready, camera one, go.
Camera one, go.
And ready, dissolve two, go.
Dissolve two, go.
And back to logo.
Logo, go.
Right. So we can run the macros, we can basically any function you can control.
Whatever the ATEM can do can be put on here.
And the other cool thing is we can launch the HyperDeck, we can launch records, we can launch playback through that, and we can also control like the brightness and all the controls for the monitor. So it's
anything Blackmagic design can be functioned through this lovely little Stream Deck.
Very cool. Sweet. Well done. Fucking millennials.
Fucking millennials.